I'm gonna put a 300 one and see if it goes. So there will be have five normal card plus a GX or V1, so 300 yen, and he wanna get a meal or meal two. Let's try.
Did you put it in here?
So 300, yep, 300 yen. 1, 2, 3. Alright, just wait. And then which button would you click? Which button would you click?
Middle.
Oh, middle one. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, this will be a box. Alright,
Let's see.
it's okay. Slowly open it up. It's straight. Go straight. Like a mystery box. Ooh, like a mystery box. Turn around.
2, 1.
Go. Okay, this will come on. But take it outside. Ooh, I can see something nice. Turn around. No, okay, yep, go this one. Oh, this is okay. It's okay.
Okay.
You already got.
Energy.
Yep, it's like energy. Ooh, nice.
Kyoto.
Reverse. Oro. Ooh.
Is it on that? No, it's not.
There's a remix.
Anything else?
Oh, so they guarantee a remix.
It looks like it's
That's
guaranteed any card.
Alright.
Wow, not bad. I think those are the best pulls on there.
Yeah, those are the best
Not
food.
bad.
Okay, this is our 300 part one. Let me try the other one.